Here's today's task. This is where the whole project starts. I gotta clean this out and start rebuilding it. Nice, huh? I don't know if you can see it in there, but that's a queen bed right there. I think it's a queen. Looks like a queen. Alright, here we go. I'm going to give you a little different perspective. I cleaned out quite a bit since the last time I was at this door over here videotaping, and the queen size bed was here, the headboard up against this wall. I've gotten that all out. I still got quite a bit of, not rubble anymore, but more the dirt, the rotted boards I need to get out. But I'm looking pretty good, I think. A couple of days, 3 days. Anyway, well, it looks like he might have been a coin collector. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some coins here. And here's a few of them over here that I'll have to look at. And there's even some stamps. They don't look like they're in very good shape, though. I'm not sure what this is. I can't see. Oh. I'll have to clean them up. They're in envelopes of some sort. Okay, let's see what's happened so far. Alright, I got the carpet all pulled out of here, and pretty much the subflooring is gone. Door for reference. Let's shovel that crap out of here. Okay. I think it's cleaning up pretty good. Pretty good. Today I'm going to try to get most of this, not all of it I don't think. Rest of the flooring. This I'm going to probably not touch, because this is actually holding up the what's left of the roof. I don't mean to make you dizzy here, but that's roofing shingles there, underlayment. So let's see what we can get done. This here is a gas line. There was a wall heater here, and then the gas line went outdoors to an outdoor grill. Okay, here's what was in the coin collection. These are filled with wheat pennies. I don't know if you're all familiar with wheat pennies, but on the reverse side, the tail side, they kind of look like that. Can you see that? Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah, they look like that. And then there's like, I don't know. I think this was an Italian coin of some sort. Canadian. No, that wasn't the Canadian. I don't know what that one is. There's Canada money. Most of it's just trivial. Some of these are actually quite destroyed. This is just a regular penny here.